Hi, I'm Elliot, a product demonstrator for Rubi Tools, and these are the Rubi Gres Premium Drill Bits. The Gres Premium Drill Bits come in any diameter you could possibly need, between 1/4 of an inch and 3 11/32 of an inch. And what makes these drill bits premium is their extremely long useful life. These drill bits are available individually as well as in kits. You have kit 4, 5, and 6, and kit 4 comes in a mini version as well. That's our video on the Rubi Gres Premium Drill Bits. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via our social media or our website, rubi.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you at the next video.